Do you want to get paid with Google Maps? Of course you do, right? You want that money. Well, in this exciting episode today, we're going to talk about how you can earn $50 to $100 per day almost predictably with just a simple Google Maps search. What if every city on Google Maps was literally a treasure map for $50 to $100 payouts over and over again? Yes, I know this sounds ridiculously crazy. I had to see it for myself to believe it, but it's true. If you have been struggling to find ways to make money online honestly, using simple methods that actually work and help people without all the confusing techie stuff, then you will want to pay close attention to this video, because not only does this Google Maps method work for beginners and requires no money to get started and can be done practically anywhere in the world, but also anyone at any age can do this. And there is so much need for this service but very little competition offering it. So maybe you can start to feel more financially secure and begin to live the life of joy and adventure that you've always dreamed of. Either way, my friend, pay attention as I go step by step fast, because in this video you will discover why this Google Maps method to earn income works so well. I'm going to show you stats that prove Google wants you to do this. Step by step, how to do the research to find businesses that will pay you, an easy way to reach out to your prospects that will effortlessly lead to sales, how to fulfill the work with simple copy and paste that takes less than an hour to do, and how to look legit and prove that you can do the job even if you have no experience. And if you watch somewhere towards the end of this video, I'll even share with you a high converting script that you can use for yourself to reach out and contact potential businesses. Yes, literally just copy and paste. But before that, if you like videos about making money online, getting results, and living the choice lifestyle you deserve, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell to join us, the Choice Crusaders crew. Also, if you want to know my number one recommendation for making money online that will empower you with the mindset and the skill set to live free, then check out the link in the description below. All right, now let's get into today's video. Hey friend, all right, let's get right down into it. All right, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can make $50 to $100 per day with Google Maps. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true, okay? Lots of opportunity here, even if you're a beginner, all right? So pay close attention to this. I'm going to walk you through it step by step, and you definitely want to check out some of the scripts and things I'm going to have for you. I'm going to kind of work them in somewhere along in this video, okay? So get your pen and paper out, get ready, follow along step by step. If you have to, you can rewatch this video. And I'm pretty excited about this because yes, you can do this even if you're a beginner, and Google wants you to. As a matter of fact, let me start you off with some data that's going to be really helpful, okay? This is crazy to me. Look at this. They say that 93% of online experiences start with the search engine, okay? With the search engine. So people who are looking for businesses, looking for services, they're going to start with a search engine. Google holds 90% of all total search engine traffic. So guess what? They're definitely coming on Google, right? They're definitely 81% of people will perform some type of online search before they're making a purchase. So some things about like different services and things like that. Now check this out. I want to show you this other one. Look at this. 86% of people look up the location of the business on Google Maps. Okay. So what we're talking about is people being able to find businesses by using their location on Google Maps. And so it's definitely a thing. So what you're going to learn here is basically how you can help a business become more profitable and get more leads by helping them show up on Google Maps. Okay, this is really simple to do. It's like literally copy and paste. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, pardon the interruption, my friend, but hey, are you enjoying this video so far? Getting value? Then hey, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. All right, and go ahead and tell me where you coming from. All right, where in the world are you from? Where you're trying to learn how to make this money. All right, so if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. All right, now back to our regularly scheduled programming. Essentially, what you're going to be learning how to do is become a local marketing agency, okay? I mean, it's pretty simple, just helping businesses around your local area be found. Because what's funny about it and why the opportunity here is so great is that most people love doing their business. You know, they love doing the thing that gives them their passion, but they don't like doing marketing, right? It's too complicated. It's too confusing. It's just annoying. So here's where you step in, providing a service that they know that they need because Google is requiring that they do it, right? And they know they need to do it, that they just don't want to, or they can't, or they don't have the means, but you can help them do it. This is how you can get paid. Okay, so let me walk you step by step how you would do this, okay? So let's start off with like you're looking for businesses, local businesses. So I like businesses that you think about it, doctors, dentists, lawyers, accountants, you know, things like that. pharmacists, chiropractor, even other professions like plumbers and electricians or HVAC repair. I mean, there's a lot of competition for that, and there's a lot of businesses in your local area who can use your local marketing services, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna type it in here. Accountant is what I did, and then type in a location in your local area. I'm using Pearland, Texas, because that's an area that's close around to the area where I'm at, and I know that it's a pretty, not, I won't say wealthy, but it has a pretty good amount of people there that make good money. I looked it up. There's about 100 that people make triple figures in money just on average. So that's what you're gonna do, and look that up, all right? And then you're gonna get some places like this. Then the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to maps, all right? So you click on maps, it takes you here. So you're gonna see all these different accountants right now, or whatever profession you're using in your area, okay? And then you're gonna see all of their listings right here on the side. So what you're doing is you're gonna look at them, like for example, this first one, if we click on them, you're gonna see that it shows up with their location, the name, the address, and things like that. And then you can notice, hey, look at this, they don't have their hours, right? So that's a place where you can help someone, okay? So you're looking for someone that hasn't necessarily claimed their business, because then that's someone that hasn't done a lot of the marketing that you can help them with. So here's a perfect example of that, right? So this particular business, Joyner and Associates, they're an accounting firm, right? But you see here where it says claim this business, they obviously have not claimed their business. Boom, this is where you can step in and help them, right? This is how you make money with Google Maps, right? It's a nice little way to find prospects that you can reach out to them. And don't worry, I'm gonna share with you an exact script of what to say to them, how to get them to to talk to them and get them to pay you, even if you have no skills whatsoever and you've had no experience. I'm gonna show you how you do it, don't worry, okay? But this is what you're looking for. Claim this business, okay? And then you can see that they're missing their hours, they're missing their website, they're missing photos. They need your help right now. This is how you can get paid. And how much would they pay you to do this? Literally, you could probably charge them like maybe $50, maybe $100 just to do this. And guess what? They will pay you. Why? Because why? You're taking off this headache off of their hands that they know that they need to do, that you're going to be able to take care of them. So they will gladly pay you, especially for accounting firms that make tons of money doing taxes and things like that, right? So what you'll do is you're going to send them an email or call them on the phone and reach out to them. Now, here's a script that I developed, okay? This is all yours, all right? I did this for you. I got some little bit of sales training that I learned from when I was in my marketing, direct marketing days that I put together that I think will be helpful for you. My boy Falcone is probably, I could credit him for a lot of this. So I put together something here. Now, all you're gonna do is just read this out and check it out. I'm gonna spend a lot of time here, but you can read through it, all right? And it basically says, hey, I saw you here. I don't wanna waste a lot of your time, but do you have any interest at all in increasing the number of leads to your business? And if they say yes, then boom, you move forward with this, right? And you say, hey, in a nutshell, this is what I do. I hope you take advantage of the 86% of people who are looking for you right now on Google Maps, but they can't find you. Now, what you can do is then immediately stop it there and ask for a 15-minute meet of their time to meet up with them in person to discuss what it is that you can do for them, what they're missing, what you can do for them, and how much they'll pay you for it. Or you can do the whole thing right on the phone and say, I know you're busy. Here's what I can do for your business, and I can do it quickly and smoothly for whatever price you want. I put it $50 to $100, but whatever price you want, because hey, this is your business, right? You're setting up a legit, full-fledged business here, local marketing agency, right? And so you can do that, and then just kind of mix the script however way you want it, all right? Okay, so let's assume they decided, let's do it. I love it. Thank you so much. I really needed this. Let's do this, and they agree to hire you. Then what you'll do is so simple. First, you'll go to Google, all right, and you'll type in google.com, Google My Business. You'll see this website here. You'll click on that. That's going to take you to this page here. It was basically google.com/business, okay? And so it's talking about engage with customers on Google for free. So with the service that Google offers is free, but people haven't done it. So you're coming along to help them take care of something that they know they need to do, but that businesses know they need to do, brick and mortars, but they haven't had a chance to, or they can't get to it, or they're scared of, that you're going to just serve them. You're going to serve them by taking care of this little bitty problem, all right? So all you would have to do is come to this page right here. Once you see it, all right, click on the Manage Now button, and that's going to take you on the inside. Once you get on the inside, you're going to go to the Manage Locations button to the side, and then you'll be able to create a new location or add a new location here, right? So then you're just going to type in the name of the business, right? We typed in Joyner Associates. We know that it's East Broadway Street, so that is exactly the location. You'll click on that, and it's going to take you to the next page. And then on that next page is where you're going to be able to start managing the business, managing the things that are on their profile, right? All the things that they've been missing here, their hours, their website, and their photo. You'll be able to add that stuff, and then you'll be working with the person, the owner. I'm assuming it's probably someone named Joyner, right? And you'll be working with her. You could be either doing this over the phone or be doing it in person with them, and then you'll probably have to get some information from them, get photos, get all this stuff, and confirm with them to take care of their listing and get it done for them. And boom, boom, they'll pay you $50 to $100 just for doing basically copying and pasting information they already have, but they've never had the time to do it. But you came along and served them to help them do it. Now, what's interesting is that once you do this, once you have your foot in the door, dude, you can offer even more services, right? And get paid because you've already shown them that you're reliable and you can help them do some basic, simple things, and you've gotten them a result where they're able to show up on Google. Guess what? You can start offering more services like higher rankings on Google, getting their if they have a website, if you know how to do this, right? New or better performing website altogether. You maybe redesign the website. You can do logo designs. You can run ads for them. You can do business videos for them, like start up a YouTube channel for them, which is huge. Or you can do link building as type of thing. For example, if you go to Moz, like go to Google, type in Moz citations. I just learned this the other day from a boy, Kristani, and it was pretty cool. I didn't know this. You can type on here and take you to the Moz citations by category. Once you do that, you'll go to Moz's page, and here they'll show you where you can like citations that you can give, which is basically links. Link building is basically just, hey, putting their website or their name of their business on different sites that will link back to their website or back to their business so that it gets them more authority in Google's eyes. So for example, this is accounting. You can click on accounting. That'll take you here and it'll say, hey, guess what? You can go to yellowpages.com and create a page for them, which is free. Go to manta.com, go to yelp.com. All these are free, and create a page for them. bbb.org, Indeed, Super Pages, Facebook, Simply Hired, Local Yahoo, LinkedIn. All these you can go to and do for free for them, and they'll give them more authority and build their links up and build them more authority on Google, giving them more leads and leading to more sales. You look like a superhero. And guess what? How much could you charge for these extra services? Literally $250 to $500 per month if you want to keep it like that. Or you can even charge up to $1,000, maybe even $2,500 for one-time fees, depending on the type of services you're providing. Like a better performing website would probably want up to $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, right? Just depending on what you negotiate. But guess what? They'll be willing to do that because they've already seen that you can provide services and you provide high quality. Okay, so now what if you don't have any experience and you're wondering, how do I get started? How do I convince these people that I'm the real deal? I think the best way that I recommend to do it is by using LinkedIn, okay? I love LinkedIn, okay? LinkedIn is a great way to show your professional side, to show people what it is that you can do, because everybody knows that LinkedIn is a great profile for professionals. So I will come here, create a LinkedIn page, okay? And it's very simple. Like one thing you could do is type in local marketing in the search category here, right? It'll give you this page here. You'll see all these professionals that are doing local marketing. If you click on just people, it'll reduce it down to just the people who are doing local marketing services. And you can check out and see what's available, what different people are doing, and then compare. Like for example, I checked out this guy here, Tony Burke, right? He's doing director of sales and marketing at a particular business. He kind of shares some of the things that he's done, some of his experience being an internet marketing consultant, sales director. And guess what? Even if you don't have this type of experience, I recommend you come on here, put a really nice picture of yourself, put a good, pretty nice background here. And in the about section, you talk about the things that you can do for them. Okay? If you want to know about how to do this with LinkedIn, check out some of my videos that I have on LinkedIn marketing on my channel, which I do the exact same thing on my own page. And then come here, you can use the experience here to talk about some of the experience that you've had already in school, different jobs, and tie it into how you help people do local marketing. You can always tie it in a certain way. Now, another thing that would really make you look really good is if you come back to my page, you can see that I've done the same thing. Go to your home page, and when you go to the home page, you should be able to write an article, okay? When you click on that, it'll take you to another page where you can write articles. Guess what? You can talk about different things about local marketing, okay? You can talk about local marketing, different strategies, different tips, and things like that. This is called content marketing, okay? And you can do this without a website. That's what's genius about it. Put a picture here, put a headline, write some content, and this is what people will be able to see when they come to research you, to see what's up, to check you out, right? And of course, at the same time, you can also use your LinkedIn page to put in information about the people that you've worked with in the past and other people. But it's always going to be tougher in the beginning on that first go because you don't have the experience. So it's going to be a numbers game. You're going to have to be reaching out to a few people. It's going to take some time, but this is where persistence and perseverance in your game and how hungry you are for it is going to really play a difference, make the difference, okay? Because someone will tell you yes. It's going to be harder in the beginning because you don't have the experience, but someone will tell you yes. Someone will give you the opportunity. When they do, you go in and you work your ass off and you provide high quality service. They will never forget you for it. You can put that on your LinkedIn page, and when people come here to check you out, they'll see, oh my goodness, and then it'll start to snowball, right? Because you'll be doing it for them, and then you can have an entire local marketing agency that people just know you as the guy, the go-to person, guy or gal that helps them to get your business found. Okay, that's it, my friend. I hope that was helpful. That right there is some really great strategy on how you can make $100, $200, even more, as you can see, per day with just Google Maps. All right, by creating a local marketing agency and prospecting through that avenue. All right, so I hope that was helpful. Give you some ideas how you can make money right now. All right, if you did, hey, definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. Check out some of these videos on here on how you can make money online. And hey, if you found value on this and this is something that you think you can do, only thing I ask is that you share this video. Okay, share with people you think that you're looking to make money online and looking for a legit, honest, and practical way to do it. All right. So until the next exciting episode, my friend, you be blessed, stay hungry. I see you on the next one. Peace out.